Hey guys, Keithy 6 here, metal detecting in Alaska. Pretty exciting day for me. I'm on my way to go buy a dual sport motorcycle. Alaska's so big that just to walk somewhere will take you a day. But you get on a dual sport motorcycle and it takes 20 minutes. So I'm hoping that this gets me out to some really remote spots, and at the same time we're going to have a lot of fun. So let's go to the local Yamaha dealership. I'm gonna go pick up my buddy Chris. He just bought the same exact bike a few months ago and he got a deal. So I'm taking him with me. So let's go pick him up. It's getting so green here. Okay, so we just left the Yamaha dealership and I bought it. WR 250R. They gotta charge the battery and stuff, so I gotta come back and get it here in a little bit. So impatiently waiting.
Hooligan shit!
To pick up the WR 250R.
I went to MMI in Phoenix for 3 years, and I worked there to get the money to go to MMI. So
Right. Oh, jeez.
it's been a while. Yeah, you're throwing 80-pound bags of potatoes.
I don't look like that before too long. Huh?
Like one?
The exhaust is warm. Alright guys, so I made it home and here is my new bike. A WR 250R. Got the temporary plates, disc brakes all around. Had to buy me a new helmet, but they gave me a discount since I bought a bike. But cannot wait to get out and hit the trails and take my quadcopter, take my gold pans, and get out to some really hard to get spots. Alright, next video, first ride, other than riding at home. Man, I can't believe it. Of course my wife's mad at me because I spent so much money.